Welcome to chapter 17, homework help. You will see a lot of what we're doing here that we do on the Excel assignment as well. So be advised. Here we're doing the comparative income statement. Let's go ahead and break out our calculator. What we're doing here is we're calculating our change in, we're doing a horizontal analysis, and you should know that by now, what that is. 428 subtracting 375, 750. We increased, so it's 52,250. Basically, we're just taking our current year minus our base year, and then we're going to take that result and we're going to divide it by our base year of 375, 750. So I got, how much do we want to round? What does it want us to round to? 1 decimal place. Okay, 1 decimal place. And I'm not going to do all of these guys because this is pretty just, I don't want to say monkey work, but it's, if you could do this one, you can literally do every single one of them. And so I'll do cost of goods sold, and then we'll go to the next one. Minus 186. Actually, wait, let's do one that's, no, they're all increasing, so it doesn't matter. And then 19,000 divided by 186. So 19,000. And it's 10.2. Okay, that's what we're doing here. We're just calculating the amount change and then the difference, the percentage. This is our trend analysis. We're looking at a base year of 2022. So what change percent based on that is what we're looking for. So I'll do a couple of these. I'll do 2023 since it went down. 1007000 divided by 1041123. So it's 96.7%. So 97%. It wants us to round to the whole number. And then I'll do 2026. 1314 divided by 1041. 1.26%. You know what? Let me check my answers just to make sure that, yes, indeed, I'm giving you the right amount. Oh, wait. Oh, does it want us to change from the prior year? Using trade to compute the trend analysis revenue around year's full percent by calculating the trend analysis and net revenue. Why is this one wrong then? I forget to do my brain isn't braining today, guys. No, 1.26. 126. That's why I did it wrong. That's right. Okay, I just want to show you 126, not 1.26. Let me go back to here and check my answer for you here just to show you that those were correct as well. All right, let's go to the third problem here, common sizing. Okay, so we need to view the data here. 2025, I mean, we're literally wanting percentages, common sizing. So net sales revenue is going to be 100%. Cost of goods sold, we're just taking this, dividing it by net sales revenue. So 203,850 divided by 428,950. So we got 47. What do we want to round to on this one? 1/10. Don't you love how everyone is different? It's like my favorite thing about this. So 1/10. So we're going to do 47.5. All right, and then let's do net income. 19650 divided by 428,950. So 27.9. Okay, just do that for all of those. Too easy. Working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. This should be easy, guys. You should have your formula sheet. It's in exhibit 17-8 in the book if you need it. Dollar amount of change is going to be dollar amount of, wait, no. Dollar amount of change. Oh, that's the one. And then percent of change. I'll check those for you. You guys should really have those there. You should be able to just plug and chug this. Current assets minus current liabilities is the dollar change in working capital. You have current assets and current liabilities. You can calculate that. That's minus subtraction. Compute the current ratio for the current year, right? I'm just going to do that one. Then you can look up all your ones and do the calculations. And again, I've done this on the Excel homework. You can look at that video and it goes through every single one of these. So that's why I'm not going to do it again. So we've went down 14,000. So the current, oh, and that's just cash. Sorry. Current ratio. What do we do? Current ratio is current assets divided by current liabilities. And so our current assets divided by our current liabilities, we're going to be just above one, or not just, but a little bit above 174 divided by 137. So we got 1.27. Check our answer. Good. Okay. You're just going to do that for every single one of these ratios. And then the last one, you're going to do more ratios. What a shocker. Profit margin ratio is the, yes, I'm looking it up. Net income divided by net sales. Look up this information here. So what is the profit margin ratio percentage for 2026? Net income divided by net sales. 12.5%. Okay. You're on your own for the rest of it, guys. There's not much there. I'm sure you're going to be fine, though. Good luck, and we'll see you around.